Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you doing? I hope you are in a good condition and very happy. Welcome to English class with me, Arif Agung Kurniawan. You can call me Mr. Arif. Sebelum kita mengawali kegiatan hari ini, marilah kita berdoa menurut agama dan kepercayaan kita masing-masing. Berdoa dimulai. Selesai. Hello students, hari ini beberapa menit ke depan Bapak akan menemani kamu belajar bahasa Inggris khususnya untuk kelas 8. Hari ini kita akan membicarakan materi pada KD 3.5 dan 4.5. Kompetensi dasar yang akan kita pelajari yaitu menerapkan struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan untuk menyatakan keberadaan orang, benda, dan hewan dalam jumlah yang tidak tentu sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Sedangkan KD 4.5 menyusun teks lisan dan tulis untuk menyatakan dan menanyakan tentang keberadaan orang, benda, dan hewan dalam jumlah yang tidak tentu dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan yang benar dan sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Kita perhatikan the next slide. Okay, I will play audio for you. Please listen to the audio and please observe the picture. Okay, here is the conversation.
Hi Rose, what are you doing?
Hi, I'm doing my task. I want to describe about this picture, but I have trouble. By the way, can you help me?
Let me see. Well, it is very easy. Attention to me. There is Bekantan statue. There is a bridge. There is a man who is taking photo. And there are many travelers.
Wow, you are really very smart. I'm very proud of you.
Okay students, how was the conversation? Is it clear for you? No? Okay, don't worry. I will show you the conversation script. Look at to the screen. Clara says, "Hi Rose, what are you doing?" And then Rose answer, "Hi, I am doing my task. I want to describe about this picture, but I have trouble. By the way, can you help me?" Clara answer, "Let me see. Well, it is very easy for me. Attention to me. There is Bekantan statue. There is a bridge. There is a man was taking a photo. There is many travelers." Rose answer, "Wow, you are really very smart. I am proud of you." Okay, my student. My question for you is, how does Clara describe about the picture? What does Clara say? Ada yang tahu? Okay, good answer. The first, Clara says, "There is Bekantan statue." There is Bekantan statue. Second, there is a bridge. There is a bridge. The third, there is a man who is taking a photo. There is a man who is taking a photo. And the last, there are many travelers. Is it clear for you? So, mungkin di antara kamu bisa menebak hari ini kita akan belajar tentang apa? Oke, hari ini kita akan belajar tentang penggunaan there is and there are, yang artinya ada. Setelah mempelajari materi ini, peserta didik diharapkan yang pertama, mampu menyatakan dan menyebutkan keberadaan orang, objek, dan hewan sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya dalam bahasa Inggris. Yang kedua, peserta didik mampu membuat teks tulis pendek dan sederhana untuk menyatakan dan menyebutkan tentang keberadaan orang, objek, dan hewan. Sebelum kita melanjutkan yang lebih mendalam tentang penggunaan there is and there are. Kita saksikan yang mau lewat ini. Oke student, hari ini Bapak akan menjelaskan penggunaan there is and there are. There is and there are used to state a person, object, and animal exists in particular place. Once again, there is and there are artinya ada. Kita bisa menggunakan untuk menyatakan keberadaan orang, benda, dan hewan di tempat tertentu. Once again, there is and there are used to state a person, object, and animal exists in a particular place. What is the difference between there is and there are? Okay, listen to my explanation. There is singular noun. There is singular. Singular one. There is artinya ada. Untuk kata benda jumlahnya tunggal atau satu. For the example, look at the picture. Do you know what picture is it? I'm sure all of you know about this picture. We can call it a tall statue. And see the sentence. There is a tall statue in Tabalong. There is a tall statue in Tabalong. There is singular. A tall statue one. Ada sebuah obor di Tabalong. Or we can say there is one tall statue in Tabalong. Is it clear? Okay, go to the next example. Okay, please look at the picture. Okay, please pay attention to the second example. Okay, look at the picture. We can see there is a beautiful woman. There is singular. There is singular. There is a beautiful woman. Or we can say there is one beautiful woman. Is it clear? Okay, go to the the third example. Okay, what picture is it? That's right, it is thermogun. We can say there is a thermogun. There is a thermogun. There is singular. Or we can say there is one thermogun. Is it clear? Okay. The next. Berikutnya tentang penggunaan there are. There are artinya ada. There are plural noun. Plural 2, 3, 4, 5, and more. For example, look at the picture. What is it? Okay, we can say mask. And we can say ada dua masker. There are two masks. There are plural. Two masks. Ada dua masker. Is it clear? Okay, the second example. Okay, what picture is it? We can call it is 4 bottle hand sanitizer. We can say ada 4 botol hand sanitizer. Dalam bahasa Inggris kita bisa mengucapkan there are 4 bottles of hand sanitizer. There are 4 bottles of hand sanitizer. There are plural. And the last example. Okay, pay attention to the picture. And we can say there are many coronaviruses in the world. There are many coronaviruses in the world. Bagaimana anak-anakku? Mudah kan? Oke, kita lanjutkan ke materi berikutnya setelah yang satu ini. Okay, students, there is and there are indicative. Please pay attention to the example. The first, please pay attention to the picture. Lihat tanda panahnya mengarah ke kursi. What is the color of the chair? Yeah, of course, it is red. We can say there is not a blue chair in the bedroom. There is not a blue chair in the bedroom. Tidak ada kursi berwarna biru di kamar tidur. Or we can say there isn't a blue chair in the bedroom. Is it clear? Okay, go to the next example. Okay, we go to the second example. Please pay attention to the picture. Lihat, tanda panah mengarah pada korden. Kita lihat kordennya ada berapa, kemudian warnanya apa. We can say, there are not two blue curtains hang on the window. There are not two blue curtains hang on the window. Or we can say, there aren't two blue curtains hang on the window. There aren't two blue curtains hang on the window. Ya, di sini tidak ada dua korden yang berwarna biru menggantung di jendela. Oke, kita lanjutkan. And there is and there are in interrogative sentence. Penggunaan there is dan there are dalam kalimat tanya yang artinya apakah ada. Oke, the picture. Oke, please pay attention to the picture. Amati tanda panahnya mengarah ke lukisan atau ke gambar. Di situ kita lihat jumlahnya ada berapa. And we can say, is there a picture hang on the wall? Is there a picture hang on the wall? Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Short answer. Yes, there is a picture hang on the wall. Long answer. Once again, is there a picture hang on the wall? Yes, there is. Short answer. Yes, there is a picture hang on the wall. Long answer. Is it clear? Mudah bukan? The next example. Kemudian kita amati sofanya. And we can say, is there a cat on the sofa? Is there a cat on the sofa? No, there is not. No, there is not. Short answer. No, there is not. There is not a cat on the sofa. Long answer. Is it clear for you? Okay. Are there two pictures hang on the wall? Are there two pictures hang on the wall? No, they are not. No, they are not. Short answer. No, there are not two pictures hang on the wall. Kita lihat, apakah ada dua lukisan yang menggantung di dinding? Kalau tidak, you can answer, no, they are not. Or, no, they are not. There are not two pictures hang on the wall. That is long answer. Is it clear for you? I think it is easy for you. Okay, the next example. Okay, exercise for you. Complete the following statement with there is and there are. Based on the picture, once again, please complete the following statement with there is or there are based on the picture. Please pay attention to the picture, yeah. And the arrow, this one, the first arrow, and the second arrow, and the third arrow, and the last. Number one. Blah blah blah, a shopping basket. Number two. Blah blah blah, many eggs on the tray. Number three. Blah blah blah, a girl with a blue t-shirt. Number four. blah blah blah, many bottles of soft drink. Number 5, blah blah blah, a man with black t-shirts. Okay, I will give you a time to answer 5 questions for you, and we will discuss after the commercial break. Oke, students, bagaimana? Apakah bisa menjawab? Apakah sudah bisa menemukan jawabannya? Jawaban yang terbaik apakah menggunakan there is and there are? Let's discuss together with me. Number 1, blah blah blah, a shopping basket. Can you give your answer? Okay, good answer. Number 1 is there is. There is a shopping basket. Once again, there is a shopping basket. Number 2, there are. Yeah, there are many eggs on the tree. There are many eggs on the tree. How about number 3? Can you give your answer? Okay, good. We use there is. Kita menggunakan there is karena hanya ada satu. There is a girl with a blue t-shirt. Okay, number 4. There are many bottles of soft drink. There are many bottles of the soft drink. Yeah, the best answer, we can use there are. Karena botolnya jumlahnya banyak sekali. And the last question, what is the best answer for the last? Okay, good. There is. There is a man with black t-shirt. There is a man with black t-shirt. Okay, thank you for your answer. Okay, the next we will go to the second exercise. Okay, we go to the second exercise. The instruction is write sentences to describe what you see using there is and there are based on the picture. Once again, tulislah kalimat untuk mendeskripsikan apa yang kamu lihat menggunakan there is and there are berdasarkan gambar. Ingat, there is singular, there are plural. See the example. I will give you an example. There is a river. There is a river. Oke, kalimat berikutnya silahkan kamu kerjakan di rumah, and then you may discuss your answer with your teacher at your school. Oke, sebelum Bapak mengakhiri pertemuan hari ini, I just want to remind you. The first, we use there is or there are to state a person, object, and animal that exists in particular place. Kita menggunakan there is and there are untuk menyatakan keberadaan orang, benda, dan binatang di tempat tertentu. Second, we use there isn't or there aren't to state a person, object, and animal that not exist in particular place. Kita menggunakan there isn't and there not untuk menyatakan kalau di situ tidak ada benda yang kita maksudkan. And the last, we use is there or are there dalam bahasa Indonesia artinya apakah ada to ask a person, objects, and animal that exist in particular place. There is for singular noun. There is singular, singular, one, tunggal. And then there are plural, plural, 2, 3, 4, 5, and more. That's all for today. And finally, I want to remind you. The first, wear your mask if you want to go outside from your house. The second, wash your hand with the soaps under running water for 20 seconds. The third, keep social distancing with each other at least 1.5 meters. Keep practicing, keep learning because English is easy and simple with Mr. Agung. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.